Welcome back to AeireinTech. In today's video, we will show you how to launch your own clothing brand using AI tools. Don't forget to subscribe and let's dive in. First up, let's generate a unique and catchy brand name using ChatGPT. A memorable and relevant name is crucial for your brand's identity. Use Squarespace to check the availability of the domain name. Generate different names and choose the one that stands out. Highlight the importance of the memorable and relevant name to establish a strong brand presence. For example, if you are looking for a trendy, eco-friendly name, ChatGPT might suggest something like EcoArion. If you like the domain name and want to purchase it, you can do so from Squarespace. Next, we will create a logo that reflects your brand's identity. Ask ChatGPT for suggestion on a logo design for your selected brand name. Then, copy the prompt and go to the Microsoft DALL-E. Paste the prompt with your brand name to generate your logo. You may use different prompts to get the logo you want. Select the one that best suits your needs. Let's move on to designing your clothing line. AI design tools such as MidJourney, DALL-E, NewArc, and Kittl-AI can help you create unique and trendy designs. Let's first go to the ChatGPT and generate the image generation prompt for the clothing design. You can research trending design using Pinterest or use your own ideas. Now go to the Microsoft DALL-E and paste the prompt to generate your clothing design. After getting the design reference from DALL-E, you can go to NewArc.ai. It helps you modify your raw design and visualize how it will look using different fabrics and embroidery or DTF options. You can try different prompts to get more ideas about design, color, and fabric. Use ChatGPT to generate a prompt for specific design materials. This helps NewArc AI understand your requirement for generating the image. Alternatively, we can use Kittl-AI to modify the design generated by DALL-E to give it a personalized touch. Upload an image and modify it as you want. You can also use mockups to see how the design will look on clothing. These AI tools help you brainstorm your design, patterns, fabrics, and determine the category and age group you want to focus on for your clothing business. Let me show you a simple design to demonstrate how you can make this a reality using AI. Go to the DALL-E and generate an image of your choice and download it. Go to Kittl-AI, modify the image and generate a mockup to see if it looks the way you want. Download the image. Now go to newarc.ai to explore pattern and fabric ideas. Ensure you have a clear image for better results and make sure to write a detailed and precise prompt. Let's decide on a business model, print on demand or traditional manufacturing. For traditional manufacturing, go to alibaba.com, apply the filters for trade assurance and verified suppliers. Select the product, chat with the supplier, and order a sample. Let's explore the print on demand model using Printful. Check out their services and offerings to see if they fit your needs. Go to the product you want to design. Select the manufacturer from here. Select the technique and create product. Upload the image. You can place designs at your desired location on the product. Once done, select the color options and sizes. Now it's time to generate mockups. You can choose mockups from here. Save the product details that will appear on your website. Select the size guide and hit continue. Set the price and submit to your store. Now, let's choose the e-commerce platform where you can build your website and sell online. For the purpose of this video, we will use Wix. Let me know in comments if you want more information on how to connect your store or if you want a step-by-step guide on how to set up a store. Click on Start Chat and explain your business. The AI will automatically collect the information you provide. Fill out each required information. Go to the design site. Click on Generate Design. Now wait for the AI to generate the design. Remember, the AI generated design will be similar to the templates So choose the one you like. Don't forget to ensure the site is mobile optimized. To drive traffic to your site, use AI tools like SEMrush or Google Trends for SEO and keyword research. Focus on niche keyword relevant to your brand to target a specific audience. For social media, do some trend research using different platforms and ask ChatGPT to generate ideas based on it. I would suggest creating your own content wearing the product to build trust and foster a community. For email marketing, use Omnisend to schedule automatic emails for your customers. It helps attract more customers and promote your product. Finally, research and partner with reliable shipping companies. Consider factors like shipping rates, delivery times, and international options to ensure your customer receive their products promptly and safely. Printful offers worldwide shipping services which you can use, or you can opt for other postal services. Let us know in comments if you need more information on any of the topics discussed. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe our channel.